Alright, so my hopes of getting my garden done before the snow stayed on the ground have been dashed. But there's only a little bit of snow on the ground, so I think I can probably get at least some of what I want to get done today, which is this over here. I've started to lay out the big garden bed. I got one side over here done, and I have determined where I want it to end over here. This area right here is going to be a cutting garden where I want to plant bulbs and such. So I think what I'm going to do today is work on laying out the bricks for this area. So I think I may have enough bricks for that. And I don't have enough bricks to do this area over here, so that can probably wait till later in the week. So I'll show you my brick pile. I don't have very many bricks. I don't even know if I'm going to have enough for what I want to do today, which is get the cutting garden done. But if I don't have enough, I'm going to steal some from the side of the house for an area that I put in. So here's what I have for bricks right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I've got one up there. So I have 14 bricks. We shall see how it goes. Alright, so I got this little narrow garden bed done. It's only about a foot wide, which is perfect. Just about as I wanted for a cutting garden. So now I have bulbs to place in here, but I think my dirt might be too frozen. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do about the frozen dirt that I had saved to put in that area. I may be able to chip away at it enough to get enough to use, is what I'm hoping. So anyways, but I can start doing the rocks a little bit. I'm gonna wait for the snow to melt a little more. Go back in here between the bed and the fence. There'll be gravel that goes in there. This will be filled with dirt here, and then this area in between these two beds will be rock also. So I still have a huge rock pile. I still think I can work on that. So I'm gonna see. So I'm going to see what I can do for right now, see what's not too frozen to work with, and that will determine what I'm going to do next. Alright, so I have chipped away enough of the dirt in the actual garden that if I put the bulbs in and then I put the dirt that I want to put on it over top, the bulbs should be at the right depth for planting, so that's what I'm going to do. I have tulip bulbs and narcissus to plant. So I'm going to go ahead and get these planted. Everyone, it is a blustery Monday morning. We had a little bit of flurries this morning, only for about a half hour or so, but I'm not sure. I haven't taken the time to check the weather to see if it's gonna get more snow today or not. It's definitely overcast and not looking like a very nice day, but that's alright. It's Monday, the start of a new week. The kids are back in school after having a couple of days off for end of the quarter. So today begins a new quarter for them. So we're sort of excited. They have a couple of new classes, which is always sort of exciting. So yeah. So let's see, what am I up to this morning? I am headed to the thrift store because yesterday was Veterans Day and today they're having their 50% off sale. So I'm gonna go check some stuff out and see what I can find. And then when I get home, I'm gonna do some filming, and then I also need to go to Aldi. I'll most likely be doing that with my sister about 11 o'clock today. So it is almost 9 o'clock right now. I hope to be back within an hour, so then I can have an hour to do some work before I have to go to the grocery store. So that is my plan. Other than that, the rest of the day is pretty much just get some work done day, because I have been gone for a few days. Yesterday I worked a lot in the backyard, and it was super cold. So today I think I'm going to stay inside as much as possible. Probably take the dogs out. I almost said the kids out. I'll take the dogs out this afternoon. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit so they can run around. So, oh, and I put their little coats on yesterday because they were kind of shivering. And oh my goodness, they look so adorable. So Finny definitely needs a bigger jacket. It barely fits him. But oh well. And so I will stop chatting your ear off and check in with you later. Bye. Alright, so I just finished up at Unique. My sister actually met me there. So that was kind of nice. And it was pretty busy, but not as busy as I have seen it in the past. Why is my light going in and out? It is getting very frigid out here. But we are going to do one more stop. We're going to stop off at Ace Hardware. And then we are also going to go get our Aldi shopping done. So it is 10:40 right now. And yeah, the morning is flying by. everyone. It is Friday morning already, and I have not really vlogged at all this whole week. It has been a blur of a week. I do not know how or what has happened, but somehow or another it is Friday. I'm trying to think. Thursday might have been the last time I did any vlogging. So since then, on Wednesday, my husband and I went down to my mom's house and winterized the camper. So that took all day. We got home late from that. And then Thursday, which was yesterday, the girls had school as normal. I had normal activities. And then in the evening, Zoe had tryouts for volleyball. And then we had a Packer game. So it was a very late night last night. And now we are here on a Friday morning. And I'm getting ready to go do a little running around with my sister. Zoe is actually home from school today. She is not feeling well. She was home on Wednesday too. She wasn't feeling well there. Started to feel a little better. Went to school on Thursday. And then this morning she woke up and she's like, I do not feel well. So I don't know what's going on with her. So we shall see. But today is a gloomy, yucky day outside. It is once again getting really cold again. We had a couple days where it was sort of kind of almost warm, kind of in the 40s. Now we're going down into the 30s again. So, yeah, it looks like it's going to rain or snow, too. I'm not really sure if either one is actually coming, but that's what it looks like. So the rest of the day, I'm going to do some shopping with my sister, like I said. And then I am going to put together a tablescape for my Thanksgiving table this year. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I'm just going to use whatever silk, flowers, and greenery I have on hand, with some leftover pumpkins that I've got laying around, and see if I can make something. So that is my goal for today to get done. And then the rest of the day I'm just going to try to take it easy and maybe work on some projects. So it should be a good day. Talk to you in a bit. Bye.